Welcome to Wellspring Gardens. Let me show you around. We're a family-run online nursery that we've been in business for 20 years now. This is our fulfillment center. If it looks like a horse barn, that's because it used to be. This was a horse stall. You can see they got the bars. We replaced that with soil. We just put concrete blocks down and retrofitted it for our own use. This is our production area, so it's where all our propagation happens. Hey Trish.
Hello.
Here we have our greenhouse. It's barely even necessary in Florida except for a couple of weeks in the winter. That's my sister Kirsten. She manages production, meaning all of our growing practices, sourcing, and ensuring the plants we send you look good. On wellspringgardens.com, you can shop an ever-growing catalog of tropical plants. Right now, I think we're up to 500 species. This is our shade house. We keep our carnivorous plants in here so they get rain, water, as well as some of our cold hardy plants like pomegranates. If you ever worked with horses before, you know what this is. This is a hot walker. Haven't really found a use for it, but it is useful for exercising your children. Back here we have our orchard. We grow plants to maturity. A lot of the things we sell, we like to be able to show you what they look like when they get full grown, what they produce and such. We also have a hodgepodge of things planted back here. Customers return a plant because they think it died, but we get it back, we plant it back here, and you can see a lot of things are thriving. So this is kind of the row of misfit plants. Most of our plants are 3 to 8 inches tall, and we pot them in this 4.9 ounce pot. Think of them as baby plants. Since everything ships free, we purposefully keep them small to ensure lightweight and rapid delivery. There are a lot of companies out there that tout just how green they are, but our product couldn't be any more plant-based, solar-powered, or carbon negative. We have a 30-day Arrive Alive guarantee, but you have to open the box, unwrap the plants, and water them. Upon arrival, the plants might not look 100%, but they'll bounce back in a few weeks. They might even lose some leaves, but that's the perk of buying a living product. They'll grow back. But if they don't, get in touch with us and we'll be happy to replace it. Wellspring Gardens is a registered nursery that's regularly inspected and follows USDA requirements in processing your orders. These processes ensure you receive healthy and accurate orders, but we do still sometimes make mistakes. 0.22% of the time. In the e-com industry, that's what we refer to as an order defect rate. The other 99.78% of the time, we're pretty spot on. When we're not growing or shipping plants, we like to make videos about our favorite ones. Here we have a time-lapse recording of a future video, pitcher plants versus fly traps, who can eat the most flies. Here we have phenomenal figs growing side by side, one receiving plain water and the other our proprietary fig fertilizer, Fig Fuel. There's the co-founder, Donovan. He's our father. He and our mother, Dana, started the business in 2004. You'll notice everyone here is wearing shoes. A lot of nurseries let their associates work barefoot, but we're just not that crunchy. This year, we celebrated fulfilling our 500,000th order, and we're planning on doubling that milestone within the next 5 years. Our Central Florida Fulfillment Center is closed to visitors as we only accept online orders. But we did recently deck out this Japanese tiny truck, and we've begun participating in local farmers market. So please come pay us a visit. We've made a lot of videos about our favorite tropical plants. Let us know in the comments what plant we should feature next.